Right from the park to the turf now, where national men's hockey coach Devon Henlon says incisive decision-making on the field will be key towards the team doing well at the Hockey Fives World Cup set for Muscat, Oman in January. The Jamaicans, who qualified for the World Cup after finishing third at the Pan American Confederation Hockey Fives qualifiers in Kingston in June, have been intensifying their preparation for their debut at the event. In addition to working on their skills to match this format of the sport, the team has also been undergoing grueling strength and conditioning preparation with assistance from UK coaches. But it's the psychological aspect of their preparation which was brought into sharp focus in training recently.
I want to work some more on the guys' psychology, how they think about the game, how they mentally prepare for the game, and keeping them composure. There are too many times when you see they're making the wrong decisions. And if you could get them to focus more on making the right decisions at the right time, I think that would be an additional plus towards the skill set that they already have.
Meanwhile, national player Nathan Reed believes the team has improved since finishing third behind the USA and Caribbean neighbours Trinidad and Tobago at the Pan Am Championships.
We're looking good going into the future. I think we have a core unit of guys who have been training from 2022, went to Bermuda, we went to the Dominican Republic, and we qualified for the World Cup here. So we have been training together for a good amount of time, and we're looking for great things in the future.
Meanwhile, Reed is calling on Jamaicans to support the national team as they venture into a new format of hockey.
Fans should come out for this version of the game because it's exciting, right? It's hockey fives, looking for more goals to be scored, a lot of skill sets. It's a faster paced game. We play fives. Normally the big field we play with 11 aside, like similar to football, but here we play fives and it's exciting, fast.
And the Hockey Fives World Cup will be held in Muscat, Oman from January 24 to 31.